Dear students and friends, I am Ponnala Krishnamurthy, Abhinav Tuition Center, New Boinpalli, Secunderabad. 10th class progressions. Find the respective terms for the following APs. Reference is here. Number 1, A1 equal to 2, A3 equal to 26, find A2. Second one, A2 equal to 13, A4 equal to 3, find A1, A3. Third one, A1 equal to 5, A4 equal to 9, 1 by 2, find A2, A3. Fourth, A1 equal to minus 4, A6 is equal to 6, find A2, A3, A4, A5. Fifth one, A2 equal to 38, A6 is equal to minus 22, find A1, A3, A4, A5. Solution. First one, given A1 equal to 2, A1 is nothing but the first term, so A equal to 2. A3 equal to 26. An of AP is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula. Then A plus 3 minus 1 into D, 3 minus 1 is 2, is equal to 26. In place of A, we substitute 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. 2D is equal to 26 minus 2. This plus 2 comes to the right hand side and becomes minus 2. Now 2D equal to 24. Then D equal to 24 by 2. Here we have into relation, so it becomes divided by 2. 2, 12 times cancel, so D equal to 12. We have to find out A2. A2 is equal to A plus D. That is equal to, in place of A, we substitute 2 plus D is nothing but 12. That is equal to 14. So, A2 equal to 14 is the answer. Second one, given A2 equal to 13. A2 is nothing but A plus D. That is equal to 13. Let this be equation 1. A4 equal to 3. A plus 3D equal to 3. This is equation 2. We have a formula An of AP equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So we have 4 minus 1, 3, and here 2 minus 1, 1D. Equation 2 minus equation 1 gives this one minus this one and this one minus this one. Now A plus 3D minus A plus D is equal to 3 minus 13. A plus 3D minus A minus into plus minus D is equal to difference sign, subtraction, bigger number sign. So this is minus 10. Place A minus A or cancel. 3D minus D is 2D is equal to minus 10. D equal to minus 10 by 2. 2 5 times cancel. So D equal to minus 5. Substituting D value in equation 1. Equation 1 is A plus D equal to 13. Then A plus, in place of D, we substitute minus 5 is equal to 13. So A plus into minus minus 5 is equal to 13. A is equal to 13 plus 5. This minus 5 comes to the right hand side and becomes plus 5. A equal to 18. A is nothing but the first term, so first term A is equal to 18. Answer. And the third term A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D, that is 2D. Then in place of A, we substitute this 18 plus 2 into D is nothing but minus 5. We must put brackets here. That is equal to 18 plus into minus minus 2 5 is 10. That is equal to 18 minus 10 is 8. So A3 equal to 8. Answer. Third one, given A1 equal to 5. That is A equal to 5. A4 is equal to 9 1 by 2. A4 is A plus 3D. That is equal to 2 9s are 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. A is 5 plus 3D is equal to 19 by 2. 3D is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. this plus 5 comes to the right hand side and becomes minus 5. 3d is equal to, here we have 2 and here we have 1 below 5. LCM for 2 and 1 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. That 1 into 19 is 19 minus 2 by this one is 2. That 2 into 5 is 10. Now this becomes 9 by 2. Then d equal to 9 by 2 into 1 by 3. This 3 becomes 1 by 3 after coming to the right hand side. 3 3 is a 9 cancel. Now d is equal to 3 by 2. Now a2 equal to a plus d. We have a formula an of ap is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a2 equal to a plus 2 minus 1 into d. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1d. That is equal to a is nothing but 5 plus d is 3 by 2 we have here. 5 by 1 is there. So LCM for 1 and 2 is 2. 2 by 1 is 2. That 2 into 5 is 10 plus 2 by 2 is 1. That 1 into 3 is 3. Now this becomes 13 by 2. Therefore a2 equal to 13 by 2 answer. Similarly, a3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d, that is 2d. 5 plus 2 into d is 3 by 2. 2 and 2 are cancelled, so 5 plus 3, that is equal to 8. Therefore a3 is equal to 8 answer. Fourth one, given a1 equal to minus 4, that is a equal to minus 4. a6 is equal to 6. a6 is nothing but a plus 6 minus 1 into d, that is 5d, that is equal to 6. In place of a, we substitute minus 4 plus 5d is equal to 6. 5d is equal to 6 plus 4. This minus 4 comes to the right hand side and becomes plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now d equal to 10 by 5. This 5 into d, here we have d, so this 5 comes to the right hand side and becomes divided by 5. 5 2s are 10, cancel. Now d equal to 2. An of ap is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula here. And here one more method. An of ap is equal to a n minus 1 plus d. In this method, a2 is equal to a plus d. That is equal to a is minus 4 plus d is 2. Then minus 4 plus 2, different sign, subtraction, bigger number sign, that is equal to minus 2. So a2 is equal to minus 2 answer. In this method, a2 equal to a 2 minus 1. Here we have n minus 1. When an is there, n minus 1. When a2 is there, 2 minus 1. So a1 plus d. a1 is nothing but minus 4 plus d is 2. Then different sign, subtraction, bigger number sign, this becomes minus 2. Answer. In this method, a3 equal to a plus 2d. That is 3 minus 1 into d. That is equal to minus 4 plus 2 into d is 2. Minus 4 plus into plus 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 plus 4 are cancelled. Now this is equal to 0. a3 equal to 0 answer in this method. Here a3 equal to a 3 minus 1 plus d. 3 minus 1 is 2. So a3 equal to a2 plus d. That is equal to a2 is nothing but this minus 2 plus d is 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Answer. a4 is equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into d, that is 3d. a is minus 4 plus 3 into d is 2. Then this is equal to minus 4 plus into plus 3 2s are 6. Different sign, subtraction, bigger number sign. 6 minus 4 is 2. a4 equal to 2 answer. In this method, a4 is equal to a 4 minus 1, that is 3. That means a3 plus d. That is equal to a3 is nothing but 0. So 0 plus d is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. A4 equal to 2, answer. Same answers. A5 is equal to A plus 5 minus 1 into D. A is minus 4 plus 4D is 4 into 2. Minus 4 plus into plus plus 4 2 is 8. Different sign, subtraction, bigger number sign. So 8 minus 4 is plus 4. A5 equal to plus 4, answer. In this method, A5 is equal to A4 plus D. That means the previous term plus common difference. A4 is nothing but 2 plus D is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Answer. So, same answers. Fifth one. Given A2 equal to 38. A2 is nothing but A plus D. That is equal to 38. Equation 1. A6 is equal to minus 22. A6 is nothing but A plus 6 minus 1 into D. That is 5D. A plus 5D equal to minus 22. Let this be equation 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1 gives equation 2 is A plus 5D minus A plus D is equal to minus 22 minus 38. Now A plus 5D minus into plus minus A minus into plus minus D is equal to same signs, addition, same sign. This becomes minus 60. Plus A minus A are cancelled. 5D minus D is 4D is equal to minus 60. D is equal to minus 60 by 4. Here we have into, so it becomes divided by 4. 4 15s 60. So D equal to minus 15. Substituting D value in equation 1. A plus D equal to 38 is the equation 1. So A plus, in place of D, minus 15 is equal to 38. A plus into minus minus 15 equal to 38. A is equal to 38. This minus 15 comes to the right hand side and becomes plus 15. Then A equal to 53. An of AP is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula. And we have one more formula here. An of AP is equal to A n minus 1 plus D. In this method, A1 equal to A, that is equal to 53. Answer. Here A1 equal to A, that is equal to 53. Answer. So, now A3 is equal to, in this method, A plus 3 minus 1 into D, that is 2D. Then A is equal to 53 plus 2 into D is minus 15. 53 plus into minus minus 2 into 15, 30. 53 minus 30 is equal to 23. Then A3 equal to 23, answer in this method. In this method, A3 equal to A 3 minus 1, 2 plus D. That is equal to A2 is nothing but 38 plus D is minus 15. So 38 plus into minus minus 15, that is equal to 23. Answer. A4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D, that is 3D. That is equal to A is 53 plus 3 into D is minus 15. So 53 plus into minus minus 3 into 15, 45. 53 minus 45 is 8. So A4 is equal to 8. Answer. In this method, A4 is equal to A3 plus D. A3 is 23 plus D is minus 15. That is equal to 23 plus into minus minus 15. 23 minus 15 is 8. A4 equal to 8. Answer. Same answers. A5 is equal to A plus 5 minus 1 into D. That is 4D. A is 53 plus 4, D is minus 15. 53 plus into minus minus 4 into 15, 60. 53 minus 60, different signs, subtraction, bigger number sign. So this becomes minus 7. A5 equal to minus 7 is the answer here. In this method, A5 is equal to the previous term A4 plus D, that is equal to 8 plus D is minus 15. 8 plus into minus minus 15. 8 minus 15. Different sign, subtraction, bigger number sign. That becomes minus 7. So A5 is equal to minus 7. Answer. Same answers. Therefore, A1 equal to 53. A3 equal to 23. A4 equal to 8. A5 equal to minus 7 are answers.